Hey everyone! Quick real-world style test between the Sony Xperia VIII and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, specifically a live moon zoom check. So, starting with Samsung. Honestly, this thing behaves like a zoom monster. At lower zoom levels, it's already clean, but once you push past 30x and up to that 100x range, the Galaxy AI really kicks in. It locks onto the moon, stabilizes the frame, and you can actually see craters stay surprisingly sharp instead of turning into a blurry mess. The dual telephoto setup really helps it transition smoothly when you're zooming fast. Now, the Sony. What I immediately noticed is how natural it looks at around 3x. That big sensor really helps with light and keeps noise down. But once you go beyond its native range, it doesn't hold up the same way. It stays more real, but detail drops off fast without heavy processing. So yeah, Samsung wins for extreme zoom. Sony wins for natural output at moderate range.